One of the major problems that creators face is creating boring thumbnails. Because when you create a boring thumbnail, what is most likely to happen is that when viewers see your thumbnail, they are they are swiping away. I get it because thumbnail is the first thing the viewer sees before they even click on your video itself. So once your thumbnail is not interesting or does not show anything like that will make them to click the video, then your video just stays stagnant. That's why you struggle with views or low subscriber growth. So if you want to create a good thumbnail, I'm going to show you practically how you can use this app I'm going to show you right now to create and design good thumbnails that viewers will find irresistible. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you the everything that's required, every knowledge you need to know about this. So make sure you stay to the end of this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel because there are lots of knowledge or value you're going to get from this channel. So make sure you are subscribed. Now let's switch over to my phone and let me explain everything to you. This is the Canva app, and I'm going to show you today how you can design good and amazing thumbnails using Canva. It does not require much knowledge, much editing, or much skill. We're going to use designs here that's already been built inside this app to create good and amazing thumbnails. Now, most of us think we need to use heavy software or different expensive tools or stuff like that to create thumbnails that will be attractive. No, you can create good and simplify your thumbnails using Canva. Now I'm going to show you practically. Now we're going to come to YouTube thumbnail here, which you can see here, YouTube thumbnail. You click on it. Then when you click on YouTube thumbnail, then you wait for it to load. I'm going to show you a simplified means where you can create the thumbnail without requiring much design or whatever. So it's going to be very simple but amazing. Now, one thing I love about Canva is that it already has inbuilt thumbnail designs inside the app already. I get me. You already have inbuilt templates of thumbnails inside the app, so you don't need to, maybe if you don't have the knowledge, too much knowledge of maybe designing brand new one on your own. So you can use designs that people have already created, templates that people have already created inside this app to just edit it and add your own stuff to it. Now, if you look at, we have different designs that people have already made here. So now if you look on them, some of them you will see the one that has all these logos, the ones with crown something means those are the pro version. You need to pay money to subscribe to the premium or version to use it. But there are still many, there are still much ones that are still free here. You get. So it's to just come down and select the ones that will be very nice. Now let's scroll down. Let me give you an example. An example here. Now, if you scroll down, now let me check. I want to just give you guys an example, practical design, how you can do that. Network. Okay. Um, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, let's use this one here. This one. Let's use this design. I love the design. So now, if you want to create your own version using this template here, how do you do it? Now, first of all, if you tap on this picture, you see you can able to delete it or re-edit it. Even this text here, this profitable trading strategy, this text here, we can be able to also edit it. Now, to add your own picture and also to remove this person's picture here, you will tap on it. Then you now come to replace here, see replace, to replace it with your own picture. So you're not going to use this person's picture, you will replace it, that girl's picture, with your own picture. So once you tap on replace, you're going to take it to your gallery where you're going to select the picture or your own picture you want to use to replace that. So you wait for your gallery to load. So now this is my gallery. Now let's say I want to use my own picture. Now just tap on this picture here. Just tap on it. Then it has replaced the girl's picture that was here before. So let's give it a bit time. It's still loading. So it's still loading here. So now you see it has removed the background on this one automatically. The background has been removed. Now if you look here is a bit cut off. So you can just drag it up. I think you can drag it up here. So my head will show completely. So my head will show completely. Let's drag it up a bit. Here, this is how my head is. So now you can move it around. So let's shift it a bit so it can fit in with the design here. So I think like this is okay. Then now let's say we want to create a video like how to design thumbnails, for example. Now this is my picture here already. So you will just come here to edit this text here. You will come to edit this text here. So you double tap on it. Then it's going to show you the edit feature where you can edit it. Then you can write, let's write how to design Okay, let's see how to. Then let's come to the next box. We've written how to, and let's use the next. So you tap the next word here. The next word. Then you double tap on it. Then you're going to take you to how to design. Then let's tap on the next word. You double tap on it again. How to design YouTube thumbnails. Now, if you look, this thing is very large, so we can trim it down. We can bring it down. Then another thing you can do is you can change the font. Maybe if you don't like this design, you can come here. You can come to font. Then you select. When you come to font, then click on this arrow up here. Then it's going to show you different fonts here. See, we have different fonts here, which I mean to change the designs or the design of the text. Maybe if you want to use another font here, maybe apart from this one here. So network is really taking the toll on us today. Network. So so that's it. You can come here and change your font if you want to. Then another thing you can do here is you since you don't it does not require much edit, you can come here and change your color. Let's say the color. You can change it to black or any color of your choice. So let's keep it as red since it's for YouTube thumbnail. It will be more beautiful with red. So then maybe you can if you want to minimize this, but this should be big small. I think so. So just you can drag it to maybe if you want to arrange it well, just move it a bit. Where is it? Should we just move it a bit? So that's it for the text. Let's say you want to maybe add a YouTube logo, maybe to make it to make if you want to add a YouTube logo to it, maybe to make design more classy. You come to elements here, elements. Then you can come here and search. You can search let's say YouTube logo or whatever thing you want to use, whatever design you want to use. Let's say you want to use YouTube logo. You can come here and search YouTube logo in the elements here, the element section. Okay, so it has come up now. Then if you look here, we searched the YouTube logo, and they have shown us different YouTube logo designs. But the one we are going to focus on is graphics. This graphics section, you come to see all. Then here you can see the different background of YouTube logo you want to use. So, okay, so let's say you want to use this first one here, this YouTube logo. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to appear on the screen here, as you can see here. So it's going to appear on the screen. Now, let's say you want to maybe you can drag it up, maybe if you want to keep it somewhere here, maybe just to make the design look more cool here. So you see, without much stress, we've created a brand new thumbnail. Then if you want to save it, you can come, if you look here, up here, you will see, let me show you guys. So if you look up here, this button here, this one here. So so if you look at that button, that's where you can download your thumbnail to your phone, to your gallery. So that's how you can download your thumbnail to your gallery. Now with just this simple design, you've just created a brand new thumbnail without much stress. It does not require much editing or much stuff. So this is the simplest way to edit your YouTube thumbnail as a total beginner and get good quality thumbnail designs. I've shown you practically how you can create thumbnail using this app, and now you all you have to do is simple. Go and apply what you have learned from this video today and your own personal videos. Put it in your own videos, and you will see the growth your channel is going to experience. Because one of what makes your YouTube videos to go viral is thumbnails. One of the most important things is thumbnails. I get them. There are other factors, but one of them is thumbnails because this is the first thing the viewer sees before the viewer clicks your video. So if your thumbnails are boring, I'm sorry, if viewers are most likely not to click your thumbnails. So you should create good thumbnails, and I've shown you practically how you can do such a thing. So make sure you please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are more amazing and valuable contents that's coming your way on this channel. Please subscribe.